All right, welcome back. And now you're going to learn one of the two skills that's most important to help you succeed in this business. What is it? Well, it's how to invite a homeowner to get a free proposal with our partner at Solar City. Now in a moment, I'm going to share with you step by step in a Camtasia screenshot video, so you'll see me actually inviting someone how to do that. But before that, I want to stress a couple of things. Number one, I really want you to understand the value of being partnered with us and with our partner Solar City. They're a publicly traded company. They're headed up by Elon Musk and his partners. And I'm telling you, this is a huge opportunity. It's a multi-billion-dollar company. So it's important for us that when you're talking to homeowners, you represent the value of them getting a proposal from a certified energy consultant. They'll either do it on the phone, they'll come out to their house, they'll give you this beautiful brochure, you'll see the picture of the home on this digital overlay. It's an incredibly valuable thing, and we don't want to minimize that just because it's zero down, right? Or because it's a free proposal. So we really want you to build the value in that. Number two, we want you to become a qualified partner as soon as you can. You know, we mentioned this in the last videos that we'd love to see this in 24 to 48 hours or maybe 72 hours because it's really simple. You are simply educating a homeowner on the value of going to clean energy, how much they could save, and connecting them with our partner. So that's really the main thing that I wanted to share with you. And now I want to help you see step by step how to log into the Powur platform, whether you do it from your phone or whether you do it from a computer, and simply invite the homeowner to connect with our partner at Solar City. The second thing is, right beneath that video, you're going to see an actual live transfer from one of our Powur partners, and you're going to be able to hear both sides of the conversation as they connect a homeowner with Solar City. So I think you're going to see how easy this is, how fun it is, and how successful you can become in this business. So let's dive into that video now. Hello, Powur partners. I want to welcome you to the Solar Grid Invitation. Now, what is this? This is the core. This is the heartbeat. This is what we do on a day in, day out basis. Is two things. Number one, we invite homeowners to connect with our partner at Solar City to learn how much money they can save by using clean energy instead of dirty. And this is going to be the invitation process for that. Number two is obviously we invite people to become partners with us to spread clean energy across the world. So how do we invite people to solar? Well, step one is just log in. Click on the login button in the upper right, enter in your username and password, and log in to the multi-million-dollar platform that you have at your fingertips to help you invite and track your homeowners through the process. If you'll notice over in the upper left-hand corner, there's three little lines or bars up here. When you click on that, you're going to see dashboard, power grid, and solar grid. We're going to focus on solar grid right now because that's where we invite your homeowners to take part in this amazing shift to clean energy. Now, there's two ways to do this. Number one is you could simply click on this Join Solar link right here, and you'll notice that it has a URL. That URL you can copy and paste, and you could email it to somebody, you could text it to them, and what happens is they will go to a website that is actually personalized or customized on your behalf. Now, if they want to do it on their own, they can simply enter in their zip code, and as long as it's a valid zip code, then it will take them to the next stage where they can enter in their name, their address, their email, and their average bill. And then they can click on this button. Once they do that, that's going to notify our partners at Solar City to immediately reach out to them and call. So this is one way that you can do it. You can send it to your site with your information, your link, if you will, and get people enrolled. And you'll notice it's customized. It's got your name as a solar concierge in there. It's got some of the benefits and things like that. And it's got a cool little video that they can watch. Now, most of the Powur partners have found success by actually doing the second way. If you'll notice in the right-hand side here, there's a little blue button with a plus sign. And when you click on that, you will enter in their information. As soon as you do, if it's in a valid area, it'll pop up and say, hey, this zip is eligible for solar. That's great news. You click continue. You'll enter in their contact information, their phone number. This is the number that you're going to call to do a live transfer. This is also the number that Solar City will call back on to make make sure that they connect with your clients, your prospects, if you will, for going solar. So you enter in the information, you hit save and continue, and it's going to give you the next stage, which is to enter in the address. You'll also enter in the average bill. And the next thing you want to do is in the additional notes section, you want to type in the name of the energy consultant at Solar City that you would like this lead or this referral to go to. So I put in, please send this lead to Tammy Nielsen, which is somebody that I've built a great relationship with. She knows me, she knows the type of clients, and the team at Solar City will know that this lead goes to her. Then I click save, and boom, we are good to go. All right, so now what I want to do is when I'm actually ready, when I have the homeowner on the line, they're excited, well, they're ready to do the three-way live transfer, I'm going to hit submit to Solar City. And then I'm going to call Solar City and tell them, hi, this is Jim Bunch, and I've got my homeowner on the line, and we're ready to do the free proposal. Right? Now that will be spelled out in detail in the next video. You're going to actually get to see a live three-way transfer with one of our Powur partners and her homeowner and Solar City. So I hope this has been helpful. It's a step-by-step with a walkthrough on exactly how to leverage this multi-million-dollar platform to help you build a clean energy business from the palm of your hand. So let's get rocking and rolling. Let's get out there and let's panel the planet.